To see how to fix Roblox connection error problem reaching server. Yes. So first we need to go to settings and you can see now network and internet setting is there. Need to click the settings and go to additional network settings, and in this you can see network reset is there. You can click that one and reset now. You can click reset now. It will reset the entire system. And after if it's not working, now to go to next step, go to control panel, and in this control panel you can see network and internet setting is there. Yes, click it and go to network and sharing center. Yes, click the network and sharing center. In this you can see the left top change adapter setting is there. Click it and go to ethernet or wi-fi which you are using. If you are using wi-fi, go with wi-fi and go to IPv4, go to properties, and in this uptime DNS server means you need to disable and go to use the following DNS and use 88888844. After come back and check if still same issue, then go with the third method, go to settings, and this network and internet setting is there. In this proxy is there, you need to check the proxy is off or on condition. If it's in on condition, you need to off that. And VPN also you need to check VPN connection is in any VPN is connected or not. If it's connected means you need to disable it and go back and check. If it still is in same condition, go to Window Defender Firewall. Yes, go to Window Defender Firewall. In this you can see allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall is that. Yes, click it and go to change settings. In this click the change settings and you can see scroll down and you can see Roblox is there. If Roblox is not having, you need to do. If Roblox is having, you need to enable both private and public mode. If Roblox is not having, go you can do allow another app and go to browse and come outside and open file location of Roblox, and you can see copy the address and go to browse and you can paste that address to get the Roblox software easily. Yes, copy, click it and open and add it. Yes, you need to add it. So this is how to add the Roblox and Roblox client. So we need to add this and easy to add. So after check it again, after restart and check it.